Some of you guys, myself included, you stand too close to your problems. I ran this car last night in Columbus, Indiana. I lost an axle pretty early in the heat. I did not go to the consi. I did not bring extra parts. I thought about trying to fix it with what I had, but I didn't think that I could fix it at the track. But today, I get home and I'm standing back and I'm looking at it, and I got mad because it's an easy fix. I was just standing too close to it. The heat of the moment had me mad, and I didn't see the solution. Just sometimes you gotta step back and look at your problem from a different point of view. Whether it's building cars or just problems in life. Maybe ask someone else, if they see a way to fix it. I lost my axle last night. This is it right here. It just popped out of the cup. I was thinking I was going to have to take the ball joint out or the strut tower off, fight all that. These two bolts right here are what hold the spindle in. If I loosen these two bolts and knock them out, it's going to pull it out enough. I can just push that axle right back in. But I was standing too close to it, and I couldn't see it in my head. But this is an easy fix, and a lot of problems in life are easy fixes. You're just standing too close to it. Here's a closer view of my problem. Take these bolts out. The spindle slides. Take the axle, push it back over, shove it in, put the bolts back. Is back on the car. Now I'm gonna swap tires, and thinking this car would drive right off. You know, I thought leaving the windshield in would be funny. There ain't nothing funny about having to crawl through this window when you got the factory steering. On the last video, somebody asked why we had aluminum rims on the back and not donuts. Typically, I run donuts. On the front, we had V-treads. These tires are 16s, my V-treads are 15s. To get them to work, we had to take the brake calipers off. All we had was back brakes. If you only run back brakes and you put donuts on, it will not even slow the car down. You can hold them to the floor and you'll still just be dragging the tire. So we left these on, get a little bit more traction, enough to slow us down getting on and off the trailer. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, because we got old Red back and we got some more cars to build, we got derbies to go to, and we got videos to make. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Here we go.